Hey guys, what's going on there? And this is another video to start our realistic missions. Yeah, gonna get started. Before getting started into our video, click on the subscribe button and click on the notification bell icon to get latest updates. And click on the realistic missions in Hack the Site. The first mission is Uncle Arnold's local band review. Our friend is being cheated out of hundreds of dollars. Help him make things even again. Difficult ratings easy. Take this challenge. Go okay. Click on this, and the message is, "Hey man, I need a big favor from you." And the uncle is asking us, "Want a big favor from us? Remember that website I showed you once before, Uncle Annas? This is the website. Just right click on this and open link in new tab and read this." And in this case we are gonna get Arnold's local band to the first, and it's in the last. He had betted a friend to get his to the top of the page, so we are gonna do this. And here we are choosing 5 and click on inspect. After inspection you will get a source code, and on the option value of 5, clear the 5 and give it as 1999 and click on anywhere, and the value changed. Now 5, click on watch, and there the mission has been completed. Go on. And the second one, message: I have been informed that you have quite admirable hacking skills. Well, this racist hate group is using their website to organize a mass gathering of ignorant racist besides. And racist hate group is using their website to organize a mass gathering of ignorant racist base. We can't allow such big order aggressions to happen. If you gain access to their administrator page and post messages or to their main page, we would be eternally grateful. And click on open link in new tab. And here is the page loaded. Right click and view the page source code, and at the last in the center tag we have got a update.php. Open link, and after opening this you will get username and password field to be entered. In this case we are using SQL injection, or 1 equals to 1, and don't worry, I'll put the command in the description, and the password is same as the username. Sorry, I forgot this, and 2 dashes, and same, copy this, paste, click on submit. There the page, we have completed our realistic mission 2 successfully. To see that third one, please subscribe to our channel and click on the notification bell icon to notify by your phone. And thanks for seeing this video. Bye.